welcome to my channel. Today we are going to focus on one of our basic stitches called single crochet, and I just have a bit of crochet work already put together here so that we can just go ahead and get started. So first let's talk about where you're going to put your hook when you do the single crochet, or any stitch for that matter, and then we'll go ahead and start doing single crochets. So if you take a look at the work that I have here, there are holes for every stitch. You can see them. Take my hook out and just point them out. For every stitch here, you can see there's a hole here, and here, here, here. So that's where we're going to focus on putting our stitches today. In addition to that, if you look from the top of the work, you'll see, I call them little V's. See these V's? So there's a V, a V, a V. When you put your hook in the stitch, you want to make sure that you're putting them in both. So there's one, there's one. So you're going into both sides of that V there. So that's kind of a couple things to look for while we're actually doing that. So to do a single crochet is pretty simple. You have your hook on your yarn already, and you're going to put your hook into the first stitch under both of those sides of the V. You're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull that yarn through and up, and you see I have 2 loops on my hook. Then you're going to grab that and yarn over, and you're going to pull through both loops. There is one single crochet. Let's do that again. Here's the next hole for the stitch. You're going to put your hook in, and I've got it on both sides of that V there. You're going to yarn over and pull that yarn through and up. You have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over the hook, pull through both loops, and you've done another single crochet. So you can see you can do that all the way across. It's pretty straightforward. Put your hook in the hole, yarn over, pull up 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both loops. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both loops. So anytime you see the request for a single crochet in your pattern, or what you'll see abbreviated as SC for single crochet, this is what you need to do. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have more questions or need other assistance, please feel free to leave me a comment. Thanks, everyone.